Hey guys, what's happening? How to deactivate Facebook account. So, deactivating your Facebook account temporarily hides your profile, photos, and posts from others. You can deactivate your account if you're still sure at any time using the Facebook mobile app or Facebook browser by navigating, they have the same settings basically. So, navigate to the menu in the top right, or the three lines in the top right in my case. Under settings and privacy, you're going to find settings. Press the settings. Now go ahead to the account center or meta. This is where you're gonna control your account. Below, you're gonna see manage accounts, right? It used to be like there is a personal details, and from there you can deactivate your account and request that you want to deactivate or delete your account. But now it's all collected under just one button, which is manage accounts. So click manage accounts and select your account if you have more than one. So let's say this first one, I'm gonna hit manage. A pop-up window will show up. Click the second option, deactivation or deletion. Now, go ahead and select your account again and stay on deactivate account button. Continue. Add your password and confirm that you want to deactivate your account. So, please be aware that you can still recover, right, by logging in with the same credentials, and your account will be activated again. So consider liking this video, subscribe. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.